Hi, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video I'm going to be explaining while loops in Python. And while loops are a type of loop that continues to repeat a code block while a condition remains true, which is why it's called a while loop. Infinite loops can occur when a condition never becomes false. So if you have that condition that while loop will break when the condition ceases to remain true, if that condition never ceases to remain true, then that loop will run on forever. Okay, so let's go through some examples of this then. If I set a variable num equals 1, and then to do a while loop I type while and then a condition. So I'm going to say num is less than or equal to 5, and then I'm going to print computing tutor, and then the crucial bit is to stop this being an infinite loop. I have to make it so that num will eventually be greater than or equal to 5. So I can do this by increasing the value of num by 1 each time. So if we run this code, then it will print computing tutor 5 times. And it'll do that because it's gone round the loop 5 times, because it's adding 1 to the value of num each time, and the 6th time it goes round it will add the num will be equal to 6, and the condition here will no longer be true, so it won't run the code. Okay, let's go for another example then. Num equals 10, and let's comment out this bit of code. Num equals 10 while num is greater than 0. I'm going to print the value of num, and to make sure that this isn't an infinite loop, I'm going to decrease 1 each time, so it eventually reaches a value that is less than 0. So we run the code again then, and that's our while loop executing in the same way, but just our variable num decreasing this time instead of increasing. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of an infinite loop now, and this is where I haven't set it so that there's some condition that will eventually become false. I'm going to say break loop, that's my variable there. I'm going to set that to false, while break loop is equal to false, which it is in the first place, is going to print computing tutor. And you can see here that because I've never set break loop to true, this loop will continue to execute indefinitely, because break loop will never become true. So if you can see that, that's continuing to print computing tutor indefinitely, because it is an infinite loop, and that will never stop unless I forcibly stop the program. Okay, so that's a brief introduction into while loops. Thanks for watching.